Hello everyone. Confused as to what your next PC case should be? Look no further. This video will rank the best 3 pink PC cases based on affordability, performance, and the manufacturer's reputation to put an end to your woes and ensure that you buy a PC case that gives you great value for money. Make sure to check out the product links in the description. Number 3. SilverStone Technology. Expansion cards of standard length are supported 10.5 inches. ATX PSU and Mini-ITX or Mini-ITX motherboard. All-in-one liquid cooler with a single 120mm or 140mm fan is supported. 3.5 and 2.50 inches hard drives are both supported. Greater distance between motherboard components on the reverse side. Number 2. Apevia Genesis Pink Micro ATX Case. Enhances cable management USB 3.0 and USB 2.0/HD audio ports in conventional ATX, Micro ATX and Mini-ITX motherboards. Pre-installed with 2 panes of toughened glass left/front and 4 RGB fans inner and outer rings glow. VGA and CPU coolers with heights of up to 160mm are supported. The top and front of the case accommodate up to 6 120mm fans and up to 2 240mm radiators. The top I/O panel's LED button controls 16 various lighting effects. The game has 30 various modes including RGB, breathing, single color, and light off. These fans are unique. Number 1. Apevia PRODIGY Best Budget Pink Mini-ITX Case. 3 pre-installed RGB fans and a toughened glass window on the left. Inner and outer rings glow. Micro ATX and Mini-ITX motherboards are supported as well as USB 3.0/USB 2.0 and HD audio interfaces and better cable management options. Up to 350mm long video cards and 165mm high CPU cooler supported. The top and front of the case accommodate up to 6 120mm fans and up to 2 240mm radiators. LED button on I/O panel cycles between 16 illumination modes. Modes include RGB, breathing, single color, and off. Each case's fan is distinct. Thanks for watching our video. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check them out. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel for more product reviews.